Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to make this video real quick to show you how to make a CBO testing campaign. I get this question a lot, so I think it's easy if I just show you guys, share my screen, and make a campaign with you guys. So if you follow this strategy and it works well, message me and I'll help you scale your product or your store or your brand. So yeah, this is a testing strategy. You can do this strategy with a $50 CBO or 100. I prefer 100. As you can see, these are some testing campaigns right here. And the way it works is it is one country per campaign or one business objective per campaign. So I typically test in the USA. So I'm just going to edit this and show you guys. So campaign name USA CBO. Turn off this catalog, set your daily budget, and this right here is CBO, Advantage Campaign Budget. Make sure this is turned on and set it at $100 or $50. Campaign bid strategy, we're going to use highest volume for testing, and that's it. So once you have the campaign level set up, now you move on to the ad set level. I name it USA CT for creative test, and then you can do 18 plus for your age, and then MF, male, female. That's just a good way to stay organized and understand what your ad settings are. And let's just go through this. Websites, good. Attach your pixel. The video that I posted right before this YouTube video shows you exactly how to connect your pixel from your Shopify store to your Facebook account. So make sure that is set up correctly. Conversion event, always purchases. No need to warm up your account. That's a complete myth. Just go for purchases. Just go through all these settings. 7-day click, 1-day view, default. Set your campaign for midnight. I always set it at 11:59, just a minute before. One of my mentors told me to do that, and I do it every single time. Okay, and then here's the ad settings. So make sure you're on the default audience, not Advantage Plus audience. So again, you want to set your country to USA, age 18 plus, all genders, male, female, and no interest targeting. This is broad targeting. You can even name your ad set broad if you want to, but I only do broad, so I don't need to name that. And the reason we're using broad is because we're trusting Facebook's AI and machine learning to find the best customer rather than trying to manually find the winning interest or winning pocket of people. We're letting Facebook do the heavy lifting for us. Okay, so you have your campaign level, your ad set level, and then your ad level. And in your ad level, you want to upload all your ads. In this case, I use this ad account just for showing you guys how to set things up. But you can upload anywhere between 1 to 10 ads. I mean, you can do more, but I recommend 1 to 10 ads. And they can be picture ads or video ads. But make sure that the ad copy, let's just go into it. Make sure that your ad copy is the same for all your creatives. So right here, elevate your health and vitality with an all-in-one blend. Try it today. That's the same for all of these because I don't want to change the variable, right? When we're testing, I don't want to change any variable, just the picture or video. Okay, so you can upload 1 to 10. I would focus on quality over quantity, and then in the CBO, I think I ran this. Let me put on my columns and put it on maximum. Okay, so right here I ran this and it spent $140 on P1. See, it tested P2 and P3, but it wasn't good enough to earn spend, probably because the hold rate or the hook rate wasn't as good as P1. So Facebook is sending all the spend to P1 because it has the best chance for success. Now, it wasn't successful. Now, my metrics were pretty bad, a 2.31 CPC and a high CPM. So that means my ad is the problem here. So if I were to continue with this product, I would simply make new ads, new hooks, new angles, maybe test video ads to try to improve these metrics, right? And this should produce a lower CPA as I keep iterating new ads, new video ads, new picture ads, and trying to increase or improve my Facebook metrics. Okay, that is it, guys. It's super easy to set up. And again, if this testing strategy produces you above a 2 ROAS, 3 ROAS plus, hit me up and I'll help you scale for absolutely free. It's part of my offering. It's a free coaching, free scaling. So if this works for you guys, this is how I test every single product. Let me know and comment down below if you have any questions, but it's a very easy setup, very easy to do. All right, guys, that's it. Peace.